Hello, good day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. And in this video guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to earn high in Adsterra. So for those of you that have watched my previous video where I teach you how to earn with Adsterra and using blogger method, those of you who understand what I'm talking about in this video. So in this video is going to be how to earn with Adsterra on social media, specific Facebook, and we are going to use Facebook to earn high and also maximize our earning. And in my upcoming video, I will show you guys how to use this Adsterra plus Blogger and Facebook to earn in higher revenue or in the link tree. So although I'm working on how to achieve that, and everything I'm doing is what I'm testing. So after testing it, then I will also share it with you guys. And this method I'm about to teach you guys has made me over $9,000 previous months, and currently I'm also pursuing to make higher than that in this current month with this method I'm about to show you guys. So I'll be diving in right now to show you guys what I'm talking about. But before then, let me show you guys my account so you see what I'm talking about, because a lot of you may not believe until you see proof. And after then I will go to the account we are using for our testing for okay, sorry, I won't be using any testing account, just to show you guys. So in my previous video then we'll do all that. So if you are new to my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification so you can receive an update whenever I drop new video. So let's dive in. Alright guys, if you are here right now, you see this is my Adsterra dashboard. Okay, so when you see here now, this is my earning dashboard guys, and I can go ahead and then refresh it so you guys can see. So you can see it. See, so nothing changes, showing you guys this is the real thing here. So you can see I currently have over $7,531 in my accounts. See my impressions, see my click-through rate, and see my revenue 9,000 plus, and see what I have earned so far for today. I've earned over $320 as of today. So what am I trying to achieve here? I'm trying to let you guys know that this method I'm going to teach you guys is 100% real and not fake. Like, it work. That's what I'm trying to let you guys know. This method work, and this is the best method to crush it right now before a lot of people will go into it. So now let me go and show you guys what we're going to do. Okay, I will use I already created a new account where I'll be using to do this demonstration. Then what I'm going to do right now is to go to my new account, come to the new account here, you go and copy your link. Okay, copy your direct link. So in our last video, in this new account, we added a link as in a website, which I showed how to do that. So now we are going to go to the website, and then it comes like this. We click on it, and what do we need? We need to copy this smart link. This is our direct link. So get the code, click get the code, and then copy it. So this is the link we want to copy, and after we copy this link, you want to come to Facebook. When you go to Facebook, then let me show you guys what I have prepared. This is what I normally use. I'm showing you guys my secret. This is the type of movies I always search for. Okay, I search for these movies to put my link in the video description, and also when I put in the video description, I even direct comments. Okay, I put in direct comments to drive traffic. Now, how did I do that? Let me go to Facebook and show you guys an example. If you go to Facebook now, you search for video, you can see here, this is a video. Okay, and what you can see his first comment, how can I find this? Okay, so how can I find it? So this kind of person, now you can say, you can come down here and then click reply to this person and then paste your link. But no, you don't paste the link by this. Shorten the link first. Okay, so you paste the link by this. Now I'll paste this link. This link will be sent to this person. This person will click this link to go and watch the video. You see, right? And this is the reason why I don't recommend you pasting direct link. You can see error 507. So this link will be clickable, but due to this error, the person may not click on it. Do you understand? And the account may also find it troublesome, or Facebook may put your account in what we call Facebook jail with this type of method. But what do we need to do? You need to go and shorten your URL. You need to go to bit.ly, and there are lists of URL shortener out there which you need to use. Then shorten the URL before you paste it. Do you understand now? So after you shorten the URL, you can paste it. Then you go ahead, reply as much as comments you can reply. You can see this one again. Say, please, where can I download it? So this person also need how to download it, or the Nigerian movie in movie box. Thanks. So this person also, you can just paste. You see a lot of comments asking how to download it, a lot of them asking. Then you can come here and write your own comments. How, if you want to watch this movie, click this link to download the movie and watch it. So you can write a good comment like that, then upload your comment. A lot of people will see your comment, interact with your comment, and you do this with at least 50 video every day. 50 video every day, and you continue every blessed day, you continue seeing the results, because all these people will be clicking and you will see your revenue growing. And that is how I'm able to generate that amount I'm telling you guys with this particular method. And a lot of you are being lazy. You think making money online is just something that you dive in overnight and then you start crushing it. Making money online is not what you dive in overnight and start crushing it. You need to put a lot of work. You need to put effort in it. You need to find out an interesting and do it for it to work for you. So if you're watching this video and you're the kind of person that doesn't put effort, please, it won't work for you. And I don't want you to come back to my comment section and say this doesn't work for you. This method will work for every one of you that actually practice what I'm telling you to do. So if you want this type of video, please subscribe to my channel so you can continue receiving an update like this and unique update more than this. I'm also going to show in different way of crushing it online. Money Tag, Adsterra, Google AdSense, name them. I'm going to be teaching those methods. This year, 2025, 2026 is a year that we're going to be crushing it on the internet in a big way. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out. One love.